There are many products available to choose cordless tools, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cordless tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Sliding Compound Miter Saw, DWS 779. You won't find many saws that can match the raw cutting power and versatility of this sliding compound miter saw. With a 12-inch blade and slide mechanism, it's capable of making crosscuts through dimensional lumber measuring up to 14 inches wide. It has a max cutting depth of 6 to 12 inches, so you can slice through 4x4s with a single stroke. You can also adjust the bevel angle of the blade up to 48 degrees to the left or right and adjust the cutting angle 50 degrees to the left or 60 degrees to the right, so you can miter cut thick crown molding and baseboards. Its current Prime Day price makes it a great deal for professional carpenters or serious DIYers. Number 2. DEWALT 20V MAX XR Reciprocating Saw, DCS 367B. DEWALT's pulling out all the stops this Prime Day, slashing prices on several of its pro-level cordless power tools, and this MAX XR Reciprocating Saw is one of them. With its 1-18-inch stroke length and top blade speed of 2,900 strokes per minute, SPM, it slices easily through wood, metal, and plastic. It's compact, too, measuring just 14.5 inches long, so you can cut tight lines between wall studs. The blade clamp also has 4 different blade positions, making it easy to cut up, down, or side to side. It's the perfect cordless sawzall for the job site. Number 3. DEWALT 20V MAX 7-1/4-inch Cordless Circular Saw with Brake, DCS 570B. Part of DEWALT's top-of-the-line XR family of cordless tools, this cordless saw takes a full-size 7-14-inch saw blade, giving it a 2 to 9/16-inch max cutting depth. With its ability to maintain 5,500 RPM under load, it will slice through wood quickly. You'll also get exceptional battery life, to the tune of 330 cross cuts on a single charge. That's power and battery life worthy of the professional job site. Number 4. DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw, DCS 334B. DEWALT always offers discounts on its power tools on Prime Day, but it usually prioritizes deals on cordless drills. This deal on a top-of-the-line MAX XR cordless jigsaw is a rare find. It has a powerful brushless motor and gets solid battery life. There are also other great features, including an ergonomic grip that fits nicely in the hand, a trigger that lets you control blade speed, and 4 orbital cutting settings that allow you to adjust the saw for speed or precision. You won't find a higher-performing cordless jigsaw. Number 5. DEWALT 20V MAX Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Power Tool Combo Kit, DCK240C2. This is an exceptional deal on a pair of workshop essentials, a cordless drill driver, and an impact driver from DEWALT's mid-tier Max line. They are more than capable of handling any house renovation project you can throw at them. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.